Okay, good morning, year 6. Our recorded lesson for today is all about calculating the missing angles. Okay, this is our learning objectives. After this lesson, you know already how to calculate the missing angle of a right angle and calculate the missing angle of a straight line. We have discussed previously our lesson what are the types of angles. We have the acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, reflex angle, straight line, and full rotation or circle. But this time we are going to concentrate on a right angle and straight line. So do you still remember if how many degrees is a straight line, a right angle and straight line? Yes, right angle is equals to 90 degrees, correct. And straight line is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so how we are going to calculate the missing angle of a right angle? We have here an example. Okay. Okay. So we have an example here. If you could see, we have the right angle here. This part is 40 degrees and the missing angle is angle A. Remember, a 90 degrees has a right angle has 90 degrees. So when you're going to solve, you say 40 degrees plus A equals 90 degrees. Since this is a right angle, you need to make it's like making a 90 degrees. Okay, so we have the given number 40 plus A, or the missing angle, equals 90. So you need to, what is the opposite of positive of plus? Yes, minus. So 90 degrees minus 40 degrees is 50 degrees. Therefore, angle A is 50 degrees. Or you can just subtract it this way. 90 minus 40 equals 50. So if you are going to add to check your answer, yes, so 40 degrees plus 50 degrees is 90 degrees. Okay, it's very easy. Now, so meaning how we are going to find the missing angle of a right angle, you just simply subtract from 90 minus the given angle, okay, the measurement of the given angle. Now, let's have another example. We have here, okay, again, another right angle. What is the missing angle A when the other part is 34 degrees? So how we are going to do? So we are going to say A plus 34. How many degrees is a right angle? Yes, it's 90 degrees. All right. So what do we do? What's the opposite? That means to say this angle is missing to make 90 degrees. So we will just simply subtract 90 minus 34. Okay, so you can work it out. 90 minus 34. 0 minus 4, it cannot be, so you will borrow. Okay, so 10 minus 4 is 6, and 8 minus 3 is 5. So therefore, angle A is 56 degrees. Isn't it very easy? So if you're going to check, okay, 34 plus 56, 10, carry 1, is 9. So our answer is correct. Okay? Very easy. Now let's have another example on my board. Let's see. Okay, so that's the workout. Okay, let's have another example here. Let's erase this one. Okay, so this one is given 65. What will be angle A? To make a 90 degrees, okay? Why it's 90 degrees? Because we have a right angle, which is 90 degrees. Okay, so we will do again 65 degrees plus angle A equals 90. So now we subtract. So 90 degrees minus 65. What do we get? What do we get? 10 minus 5 is 5. So this will become 8, isn't it? 8 minus 6 is 2. So angle A is 25 degrees. Okay? So your turn. Now I want you to bring your student book page 89. Question 1. Okay, I want you to only to solve for work out the size of the green angle in each of this. So I want you to solve letter A for now. Okay, in page 89, question 1, or let's work for this one. Page 89, question 1. I want you to answer only letter A. Okay, letter A. I will go back with this one later with this question. Also, in page 90, okay, page 90, question 1 and question 2. So, I want you to answer page 88. I'm going to write here, okay, page 89, question 1, A, okay? And page 90, question 1 and question 2. So this is finding what will be this missing angle here, okay? How do we do? What is this one? This is a right angle, so therefore it's 90 degrees. So you are going to find the missing angle here. And also in page 90, question 1 and question 2, I want you to solve and find the missing angle. Okay? Now, so that is for calculating right angle, which is 90 degrees. This time you're going to solve or calculate the missing angles of a straight line. Okay? How we are going to solve a straight line? If right angle is 90 degrees minus the angle that is given, how about the straight line? Would you tell me how many degrees a straight line is? Yes, very good. It is 180 degrees. Okay, so the same way in subtracting and finding the missing angle of a right angle, you also going to subtract, of course. So, okay. So a straight line, remember, straight line angles are 180 degrees. So this is a straight line, and this is equivalent to 180 degrees. Okay, so we have an example here. I'm going to explain it to you. Okay, we have an example here. What is this missing angle if, okay, the other side, to make 180, there is already a given 186. What is this one? To make 180 degrees. Okay, so the first thing, like what we did in the right angle, you're going to write this equation. So 86 plus something equals 180. Why I wrote it like this? Because we need to find this missing angle to make 180, because the straight line is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, so then again, so we will subtract 180 minus 86. The answer is 94. If you could see here, 0 minus 6, it cannot be. So you borrow from 8, it will be 10 minus 6, 4. 17 minus 8 is 94. So A is equal to 94 degrees. So if you are going to check your answer, 94 minus 86, plus I mean, because we are making 180. So 10, carry 1, 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 8 is 180. Therefore, our answer is correct. Okay? It's very easy. Okay, let's move on to the next example. Now, another example here. What will be angle B if the other angle equals 37 degrees? So again, the same thing, you are going to write 37 plus angle B equals 180 degrees. Then you take 180 degrees minus 37 degrees. Therefore, okay, so you can subtract it this way. 180 degrees minus 37 is 143. So B is equal to 143 degrees. So again, if you want to check the answer, whether it's wrong or correct, then you are going to take your answer, 143 plus 37. So 10, carry 1, again 8, 180. Okay, so our answer is correct. Therefore, this missing angle here to make 180 is 143 degrees. Okay. Let's have another one. This is 18 degrees. What is angle A? So 18 plus angle C equals 180. So what is angle C? 180 minus 18 degrees. Okay. So 180 minus 18 degrees. Let's subtract again. 0 minus 8, it cannot be. So borrow from there. So that will be 10 minus 8 is 2. So 7 minus 1 is 6. To bring down 1 is 162. So of course, make sure that you're borrowing here to make 10. Okay, so that's the answer. Then afterwards, you're going to check whether your answer is correct. 162 plus 18. So that will be 10. Carry 1, 8, and 1. So 180, therefore 162. Angle C is 162 degrees is correct. Okay, so C is equal to 162. Okay, now I'm going to ask you to answer this question. Okay, go back to your student page 89 again. Page 89, question 1. Okay, if you can see here, I want you to only solve for angle B. Page, okay, I want this. So page 89, question 1, B. So that means to say, you're going to solve letter A and letter B in page 89, question B, because question 1, because this is your lesson, finding the missing angle of a right angle and finding the missing angle of a straight line. This is a straight line, so this is meaning we are going to subtract from 180 degrees, and this is 90 degrees. Okay, so this one, the next one, that will be our lesson on Sunday. So don't solve question C. Okay, year 6, don't forget that. So, and also you go to page, also in page 90, you need to answer for me question 3 and question 4. That's it. So all the questions that you are going to answer now, you have to see here now. Okay. Okay, so page 89 in your student book. Okay, student book page 89, question 1A and question 1B. And in page 90, question, actually it will be all, so including question 3, question 4, and question 1, question 2. Show the workout correctly. Okay, write it in your notebook. I want in the notebook, and submit it to me. Okay, year 6. So let's recap for our lesson. Okay, let's just recap. Calculating missing angles of a right angle. So how are we going to find the missing angle of a right angle? We need to subtract from. So we need to use 90 degrees to find the missing angle. So minus . Okay, so we need to use 90 degrees when we are going to calculate missing angle of a right angle. Okay, with the given angle, for example, we have here, this is the missing and this is the given. So we will just subtract. Okay, so 90, if you want to do it this way, it's fine. 90 minus 40. So A equals 50 degrees. I want you to do it this way. The other one, do you still remember? So calculating missing angle of a straight line or angle. So what do we use now? Since it's a straight line, you're going to use 180 degrees. Okay, so it will be the same thing. For example, this is given. So you're going to find this. So simply 180 minus 55 degrees, and then you are going to subtract and find the missing angle. All right, so this is all for today for our recorded lesson. So don't forget, you are going to answer student book page 89, question 1, ABC, okay, and page 90, question 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So now I'm going to write this again so that you won't forget. You need to answer your student book, page 89, question 1, A, B, C. Page 90, question 1 to question 4. Okay, year 6, I hope then you are going to submit, write it in your notebook and submit it to me. Okay, that's all for now, year 6. I hope you understand the lesson by finding, calculating or finding the missing angle of a straight line and calculating the missing angle of a right angle. Okay, see you on Sunday. Bye for now, year 6. Thank you for listening. Bye.